Okay, hello again, boys and girls. Okay, maths time now. Yesterday we started counting in fives. If you need any more practice, this game is where you should go, okay? Or you can re-listen to that song again. It still should be on your Seesaw account, okay? So, this money game. Now, in this money game, let me just show you how to actually get into this. So, the link's on Seesaw. When you come to this menu, you're looking for counting, okay? And you're looking for single coins to 10p. Now, this is good for practicing counting up in 2s, 5s and 10s and even 1s as well. So let's have a go. Hopefully we get some 5s because that'll help us practice it. Okay, so, first one, counting in 2s, what we did last week. So 2, 4, there's 4p, 2 add 2 is 4. Some 10s, counting in 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10 sets of 10, 100 or £1. Some 5s here, so let's count in 5s. 5, 10, 15. You might even sing the tune of the song. 5, 10, 15. That's a nice easy one, isn't it? A 1p coin. If you're not too sure about money, don't worry, because we're doing it in the summer term. Okay, let's count up in 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Nice easy one. 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9p. Hopefully, fingers crossed, everyone gives us some more 5s. That was your good luck you gave me there. Thanks for that. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. I can hear you shouting. 50. So, if you need any more practice, that's your place. Go there, have a little practice, have a little bit of fun with it. Maybe see how many you can get right in a row. Then, flip over here. Once you've done that, if you feel need to do it, we're going to move on to this. Now, it says groups of 5. Just as we did with groups of 2, we're going to do the same with groups of 5. So, we've got our shop here. Everything in this shop is 5p. Click on items to add them to your basket. So I'm going to say, if I went to the shop and I was shopping for some toys for myself, I would probably choose an ark, a motorbike, some Lego, that cool robot, and what's this? These balloons, but I've turned them into water balloons. So I've chosen all these toys. Each of these toys costs 5p. So because of that, to save me time, I don't want to go 5 add 5 is 10, add another 5. I'll just count in 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So my shop would cost me 25p. Okay, I'm going to get rid of those. Hopefully they all go back. Yep. I'm going to choose some toys for Mrs. Finch. Let's see what she'd like. I think she would like the spring. These little Russian dolls. What else would we go for? Teddy. Little Teddy for Joseph. Little princess doll. 2 packets of water balloons so she could defeat me in a water balloon battle. I'm going to go for one more thing. I think she might like that doll's house too. Okay, so let's count up. Remember, each toy is 5p, so let's count up in 5s together. As I point, you can join in it, okay? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So she would have spent 35 pence, 35p for short, in the shop. Okay, let's move on. Hello. Who's this? A little alien. Hello, I'm live from Planet Jive. Everything here comes in 5s. With 5 long arms, we get lots done, and we can also have some fun. We're great at smelling, and we have 5 noses, but not everything smells as sweet as roses. We love puzzles, and we like to tease, so tell me what you make of these. I think they're going to give us some puzzles to answer. Okay, how many jivelings are hiding? So, how many jivelings are hiding? There's 1 jiveling. We know it's a jiveling because remember they have 5 of everything and he has 5. I don't even know if they're ears or antennae, I'm not sure. 1 javelin, 2 javelins, 3 javelins, 4, or 4 groups, and there's 5 in each one, so I could count up and see what that is in total. 5, 10, 15, 20. 4 groups of 5 makes 20, or 4 lots of 5 makes 20, or 4 multiplied by 5 makes 20. Okay, let's have another look at this one. Okay, how many javelins can you find? Okay, how many javelins? So, well, I know that's 1, because it's a set of 5. 1, confusing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think there's 6 groups of 5 arms. So 6 groups of 5, that should be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Fingers crossed, 6 groups of 5 makes 30. 6 lots of 5 makes 30. Okay, can you fill in the gaps? So it's asking us to fill in the gaps. So it says something groups of 5. So we said there was 6 groups of 5 makes 30. That was it, wasn't it? 6 groups of 5 makes 30. That was well done. Thanks for your help. The special powers you're sending through the camera to me. Okay, next one. How many flowers? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. How many groups of 5 is that though? How many 5s was in 40? I could use my fingers or I could use the board. I'm going to use my fingers first and then check it on the board. How many 5s is in 40? 40 divided by 5. There's lots of different ways to put that. I'm going to use that. I'm going to count up in 5s and see how many is in 40. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 8 sets of 5. 8 groups of 5. Let me see. 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups, 6 groups, 7 groups, 8 groups. So 8 groups of 5 should make 40, or there's 8 sets of 5 in 40. So something groups of 5 makes, so 8 groups of 5 makes 40. And you can always check twice just to be sure. Okay, now let me show you what you're doing here. So I need to get this up. Okay. So this looks quite interesting to me. Draw the hair on the javelin's head. Okay, now remember they have 5 of everything. So let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was quite a stretch. Okay, so it says how many groups of 5? So that's 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups, 6 groups. 6 groups of 5 makes, let's count up in 5s and see how many hairs there is. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 6 groups of 5 makes 30. Okay, and you have a couple more questions like that. And I'm just going to rub this out for a second. I'm going to go on to the next page. Okay. Now it says here, draw body parts on your javelin. Remember, they always come in 5s. So you could really draw whatever you want. You could try and draw your javelin like they have, or try and make your own. So 5. So I might do 5 eyes. Okay. So that can be 1 group of 5 makes 5. I might do 5 feet. You never know with aliens these days, do you? So that could be a set of 5. I might do 5 hairs. And I could do anything else. I could do 5 noses. So I'm going to count up the sets I've done. So I've done 1 set of 5, 2 sets of 5, 3 sets of 5, 4 sets of 5, 4 groups of 5 makes 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, and so on, okay? There's another little task if you find that easy. I'll put the answers in for the second one because it's quite tricky. You really have to think about it, okay? So, best of luck.